Okay, so what I'm going to show you here how to do quickly is how to set your signature in a G Suite account. Now, obviously you can see here I've got a Silicon Dales G Suite account. This is not our normal day-to-day accounts, but if it were, all of the settings would be in exactly the same place. Obviously this is the inbox, it's empty, there's no new mail. I've set this account up just to test. But you can see if I go to compose an email, it's the standard G Suite new message screen, so that's just the same as what it would be like in your account. Now we can see there is no signature here, it's just I'd have to add that for every single email, and obviously we don't want to do that. What we want to do is get a signature that comes up consistently on every email. So where would we change that? Most of the things you change in G Suite or Gmail under the cog, and specifically it's the settings one. Once you click on there, you will see the settings. There are settings for everything. The signature itself is a very general setting, so it's in general, and if we scroll down, there we are. So currently you can see there's no signature, and what we want is a signature. Now there's a few things to mention on this. You can put your name, you could put your job title, and then you could put your web address, phone number, email address, all of those things. What people quite often do is abbreviate them and then put them in like this. One of the things to note is you can put links in, so you could put a website in, highlight it, click this one to put in a link, write the link name down, and there's your link. You can test it by clicking on it. One of the things to check and make sure of is there's a line in the signature which has a couple of dashes. Now you can remove that so that it basically adds the signature like you are signing off the email. Some people want to do that. Other people, they want their signature to be a signature with the two lines before it, so that the recipient's mail client understands that this is my signature. For example, you might have a really long piece of text that your company makes you insert at the end of your emails. Now those you're generally going to want to keep the line that precedes the signature. Generally speaking, company, corporate email, you want to keep that because it stops it showing up in every single email. If you have long threads, people want to remove it, but they also want to be able to add it back in so that they can find your phone number and your email address and so on and so forth. So that's the best way to add your signature, and the only thing to do now, now that it's added, is to save our changes, and then when we go to compose an email, we can see there's our signature down there at the bottom, and it's got the preceding dashes. Like I say, if you want to take them out, the option to take them out is there. I choose not to most often. Thanks for watching.